Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Okay, in this session we are going to learn about the flight controller what I am using for this quadcopter. Okay, so you can see this is the heart of that drone, whatever drone I am using. This is the heart. Okay, why I said heart is because everything runs on this. So your motor, your the GPS, your receiver, telemetry, everything runs on the flight controller because the flight controller is managing everything. So you can see this is the arm disarm button. Okay, and this is the receiver. Okay, and here we have the ppm. I'll tell about that also. So this flight controller, what it does actually. So the flight controller is the one which controls the drone. Okay, by increasing the speed of a motor wherever you want, whenever the command is coming from transmitter. Okay, and the ESC will get the required amount of information to rotate the motors. Okay, then it keeps monitoring your battery whether it has a correct amount of charge or not. Okay, then you have a power module. Okay, that is also, it holds good where it gives the power from this power module. Okay, then it has a GPS. You can see this is the GPS. So you can see this is the GPS. Okay, so this GPS has compass inside this, and your flight controller also has the compass, inbuilt compass. Okay, and it has so many slots. Telemetry is there, GPS, and it uses CAN and I2C protocol. Okay, if you guys want more on the technical side, right, you just please comment me in the comment box so that I'll come to know, because I cannot explain everything in one video, right? So I'll make some videos on that also. So if you want any technical discussions. Okay, then this is the telemetry. You can take the logs of the drone, what actually commands are coming, everything, and you can it will send it to the telemetry receiver, which we can connect it to the laptop. This kind of same thing we'll get with the USB, that you can connect it to the laptop, and you can get the logs from this telemetry. So now the flight controller is on. Okay, this flight controller has the inputs here, right? You can see these are the inputs. The ESC, these are the connection from ESC. Each ESC will have, so 4 ESCs are connected here. Okay, same thing from the receiver, right? From the receiver there is one connection. Okay, from the receiver there is one connection. So this receiver is connected to this ppm encoder, and ppm encoder will send to the flight controller. Why we are using ppm? There is one more question again. So because when you are flying, right, if it is direct connection from the receiver to the flight controller, sometimes there will be a delay or lag in the commands. Okay, so because of that, this flight controller will get the delay in command, so it may go out of our control. So it will be, it will crash, or it will go to the other place. There so many things will happen. Okay, because of that I think we are using ppm, pulse position modulation, what we say actually ppm is. Okay, so this receiver has the connection of all your channels, channel 1 2 3 4. So all the channels will connected to the flight controller, and all motor will be connected to the flight controller. Okay, then I said GPS with compass, right? So you can see, so GPS with compass, and this flight controller will also has compass. Why we need GPS and why we need compass? So compass is a device which shows you the direction, whether you are in north, south, or west, east. Okay, how it will come to know? You can see here, you can see on the top here there is a arrow mark. Okay, on the top you can see there is a arrow mark. Okay, so that arrow mark indicates you are at the north position, or you can say there is a forward position. So here also on the flight control you have, there is a arrow mark. So that is a forward way of your drone, in the sense the drone goes in that direction. Okay, you have to take care of that. You need to decide first in which direction you want to move your drone. Okay, then only you have to connect all the components. And the flight controller is connected with buzzer. Okay, this is the buzzer, and this the arm disarm button. Okay, then I said, right, so the CAN and I2C is used for the GPS. Okay, so why GPS is used? GPS is global positioning system. Okay, the GPS always gives you the position at in which position you are having. So the accuracy of the GPS will be slightly okay, around 60-70% will be accurate, but the GPS is must and should to make your drone perfectly fly. And also in the previous videos I showed you, right, return to launch. Okay, for return to launch the GPS is must. Okay, so without GPS the drone will not know the in which position it is or in which place it is. So without knowing that, this is the GPS which we have to use. Okay, so and battery is connected here. You can see battery is connected with the power module. Okay, this power module will feed the voltage. Okay, so this is what about the flight controller what we have. And in next videos I'll start assembling the parts. I'll show each component how to assemble. So now it is the drone is assembled, right? You will come to know, okay, how to assemble the drone. Very important. Keep waiting for that video. Don't miss that video. Okay, it's very important to know how to build the drone. So that is what my intention, right? You all know how to build the drone. Okay, so thanks guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.